On September 29, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper spotted a sport bike without a license plate. But when the trooper attempted to initiate a traffic stop, the rider took off, leading troopers on a dangerous 140-mile-per-hour chase before the pursuit took another unexpected turn. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Elgin 1037, white street bike, no license, northbound on 56th Street, coming up to Don Tyson.
That is direct. That is direct at 737.
No traffic. Coming up to Watkins Avenue. Yep, we're passing Children's now. Speeds 90. No traffic.
You work to the Interstate.
We're west of the Interstate. Coming up to Sunset now. You okay over there? Turning back southbound, staying on G. George. Coming back up to Don Tyson. We got one car on our way. We're fast in Marcus. Coming up to Don Tyson State.
Identify as Springdale.
Notify Springdale immediately.
Has one on it now.
Lay that bike down, bitch.
Coming up to Don Tyson. We might get on the Interstate southbound. Right on 49. Yeah, 49 southbound. Dropping off route. Alright. Southbound from Don Tyson, coming up to Johnson. Except we're going through the skirts. Come on, dude. Let me get you. What's up, y'all? Looks like a Hispanic male rider. Trail boots, t-shirt, collar under the dark coats. Another standard car. Beat the traffic. Take it, Steve. Come on, that's out there. Waiting to set up the one. Yeah, they're coming up to 62. Oh, that hurt me. He's not that good of a driver. I've lost him several times. Stay south now. That's the 62.
Southbound, 62, just that 61 speed, 135. From my gauge, but when I get this all pretty great. That's 65 speed, 130.
Come on, cars. Yeah, go ahead and take out. Go ahead and take it. Move, Randall.
East off the interstate. On interstate.
Good pursuit.
Stop! I'm gonna tase you!
Contact Springdale PD. See if they got a canine. 12 to 6. Do you want to go back over there to the motorcycle? Where is it on the, by the sign? In the median. Just past that little overpass, the guardrail. 64, did you say it's in the median? Yeah, 64. It's in the median somewhere. Think further back this way.
South 12, I have Fayetteville route as well as Springdale K9.
64, can you go ahead, son? You know, see your start at 1011? I'm not looking back.
Did he run that way?
I
When he
couldn't.
topped the hill, or did he keep going that
I
way?
don't know how he just freaking disappeared. Like he just disappeared.
On the bike, on the road?
No, whenever we were running up, because I had eyes on him.
Yeah, I was trying to keep eyes on him, and then, like you said, he disappeared.
He just disappeared.
Dang, I really thought we were going to get him.
I mean, we're right there. God dang it.
Troopers requested the Springdale Police Department K9 unit, which arrived on scene moments later. They attempted to track the subject using the K9, but were unable to locate the suspect. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.